Okay, we're here in Ryoma, Asian Kaido, and we're introducing the number one Sekai no elevator here, and this is the museum. Ano? Yes.
In Japan.
And then we are here to announce you that we're going to
Take the escalator.
take the escalator.
And this is our. Shikaisha. Joe, come here. Face. Okay, good luck. Okay.
Good health.
Good health and stay alive.
This is the sun. How many feet?
How many feet?
I don't know. It's not written.
That's questionable.
Oh, that's questionable. So I'm
it
going
says-
to and I don't want to look up down. I must say up. Or I'm not saying. Oh, may camera dyan. Okay, go.
Okay.
Woo!
Why?
Okay, this is it.
Keep on looking.
Yeah, I must go up, go down. Step 1, 2, 3.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Yes. Kuha. Very steep.
Woo! It's so risky.
And where is our leader? Hey, sponsor.
Sponsors out there.
Bench.
Bench! Sir! Sir Nakagawa!
Bencho.
Benson!
Bingi.
Oh!
Broken eardrum.
Grabe! Maybe it will take 5 minutes in taking this escalator.
Maybe 5.
Maybe 5 minutes. Oh! I'm afraid that I have to take some video or picture. I have an extra camera here, so we can take each other.
Mag-ingat ka, Jo.
Yeah, you too. Don't look down. Okay, the picture there.
Keep on looking up.
Okay. Take picture too.
Yes,
Watch
please.
me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mat-
I'm also taking. Did you come here?
This-
You come around the corner. Okay.
This is only half. Half.
Okay.
And there is another half. We came from there. There. Hindi na makita yung pinanggalingan. Doon po kami nanggaling. Diyan. Tapos, mamaya pa rin, hindi pa rin kami bumababa.
Nakalaga, huwag kang umuuro.
Oh.
Gitna lang.
In the middle. O, diyan, bababa ka na. Wak! Way! Kuway.
Okay, we're here and we have 50%.
Kuway! Yay! Hindi pa rin nakita na yung dulo. Yan.
Nakita na ako.
Kuha kata.
Ako, 2 minutes more.
Ang galing.
Okay, camera girl.
Oh, I have a stomachache. I feel so nervous.
CCTV.
Yeah, you say hello to the camera.
You're not there. Okay, we just arrived here.
Hello, security camera.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Mag-move muna ako. So, grabe ang aking naramdaman ko. Ito po yung likod. Bago kami mag-take off, ipaliwanag ko na ang aking naramdaman. Nanginginig ang aking tuhod, haba ba naman ang aking heels, at kinakabahan ako. Dahil sobrang haba talaga ng escalator na to, grabe. Kaya punta na kayo dito mga friendship from Himeji, Akashi, and where? Akashi and Tatsuno. Sa mga friendship namin, I will invite you. Mag-celebrate tayo ng ating Friendship Day dito sa Ryuma no Mori, Kagawa Prefecture, Shikoku Island! Naon ba yun?
Paano yan? Kuko?
Ayun, so.